Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It is June 5th. Mosquitoes already? Man, they waste no time. It's like opening the car door, dinner bell, get them! So, kind of a, I don't know, annoying slash amusing tale. I'm sitting here on the tailgate. I just found where I was going to go do my fishing at, which is what I'm going to go do right now. But I'm sitting here making my coffee. So I just set up. I didn't film any of it because you guys will see me set up. Excuse me. Only when the camera's on. I was setting up my coffee and didn't film the stove setup. But while I'm basically got my water going, this camera's crooked. This truck pulls up right next to me, and it's four people piled out with 4 huge boats. It's like, we're okay. So, long story short, they were setting to put in the water right where I was. So, I had literally I was sitting here making my coffee, and it's a truck. And I had 23 people just strung all around me, like 6 to 8 feet away. Just, some of them were really staring at me like they couldn't believe I was making coffee. It's like, yeah, I'm making a cup of coffee. A little black rifle in my Bigfoot Java can. Like, what's the big deal? You gotta have your coffee. So, as soon as they were gone, of course, one guy was like, "Are you gonna be here long? Because we got another group coming." And I'm like, "Oh man." So I left. So anyway, let's get down to the water and get my line in. I haven't seen any other fishermen though, so I'm a little concerned. Not a one. It's a Saturday too. So hopefully I won't get busted. I have to go get a guidebook and make sure it's. I heard June 1st, but I might be wrong. So anyway, let's go get the line in the water and see what's biting. So it's, the weather forecast said rain, which is why I rain geared up, rain hat, and I've actually got 2 pieces of rain gear, 2 ponchos. One is for me, the Country River Products poncho is for myself, and the other one is for camera and also gear. So I want to make sure I was doubly protected this time. So kind of my plan is cast that way, let the current take it down as I reel it in slowly, and then rinse, repeat, and see if we catch anything. I think I just cast right over the top of the big log. Not repeat that. Quite a ways. Snagged again. Getting hung up on something. Alright, so here's my weight. It's just a slip weight. Then I got my leaders tied on, which I don't know if the camera will focus on that. And then I'm actually going to be switching over to this gold spinner instead of that little white one. See if I get any better luck. Because all I've been doing is snagging on the bottom. Which I'm sure it's my setup, but you know. What you gonna do? Nice cast. Maybe we should do it backhanded from now on. At least I'm happy with them. Damn, bugs, get out of my face. Good grief. Yeah, you know they're doing it on purpose, too. You're like, hey, let's annoy this guy. They're just too small to hear their laughter. That was a terrible cast. Awful. I would rate that out of 1 out of 10, a zip. Well, I'll give it a 2, because it didn't get tangled, and I didn't lose it. There we go. You probably can't even see him hit the water, but that was a good distance on it. It's not like I'm whipping it super hard either. So as it's coming in, I can actually see it spinning under the water. Oh, it's just okay. Caught something. All right. Oh man. Mount that on the wall. Well, that sucks. It started raining. I'm using a poncho to cover the camera, but I got my line stuck too. I want to have to cut it, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. I've been doing everything I can to get it undone. Way over there I walk, clear over here I walk. Just put that on there too. Damn it. Shoot. Tough break, I guess. Damn it. I won't have to do that. It was a brand new lure or spinner. Oh well. Couldn't help but notice this when I was moving around. Rip Charlie, in loving memory. We love you. Probably a pet. So I guess I'm gonna call it. I fished for a little while off camera too, so didn't catch anything. Not even a nibble. Not even like a little thing. Just to pull in again. So it's all right. Good times. Other than the rain, it's kind of pretty out here. Although I am geared for rain this time, so. Have to swing by Sportsman's Warehouse and replace that spinner. It's no big deal. I think I'd go there maybe every couple paydays and just, like every other payday, and just take $10 in, just buy a few lures and spinners, something I need. Alright, well as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.